Hi, good morning students. Today topic is linear equation in two variable. Linear equations in two variable. Second chapter. Equation. Linear equation. Equation and linear equation. Equation means it is equal to something. Equal to 0 or anything. Equality. Linear equation. So the example is 2x minus 7. 2x minus 7 is a linear and is equal to 0. It is called linear equation. Why? Because it is a linear equation. Degree is 1. Variable degree is 1. That is called linear equation. Suppose 2x square minus 7 is equal to 0 or 9. This is not a linear equation. Why? Because this degree is 2. That's why this is not a linear equation. Linear equation. 2x minus 1. The degree is 1. Variable degree is 1 is called a linear equation. This is an equality as a equality. It is as equality. The equation on the left of the equality sign. So we can write this. We can write also this is 2x is equal to this 7 transpose to plus 7 minus 7 transpose to plus 7. So this 2 into x, this 2x we can write 2 into x. So this 2 transpose to x is equal to, this is into 2 into x. So we can write 7 by 2. Into it will be changed to division. This is LHS side, equality before is LHS side. This is RHS side. This 7 move transpose to RHS, minus 7 change to plus 7. This 2 into x, LHS side, this 7 RHS side. So 2 into x, we can write x is equal to this 2 transpose to RHS side, it will be go to denominator. So we can write 7 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 7 by 2. This 2x minus 1 is a linear equation. We can write this is x is equal to 7 by 2. Another example we can take 4x minus 1 is equal to 35. Suppose 4x, this minus 1 transpose to RHS side plus, that is equal to 4x is equal to 35 plus 1. We can write 35 plus 1 is equal to RHS side 36. It is LHS side 4 into x. This 4 transpose to division in RHS side, that is equal to 36 by 4. Why? Because 4 into x into this 4 transposes to RHS side division. Therefore x is equal to 36 by 4. 4 table 4 nines 36. Therefore we can write x is equal to 9. Understand? This 4x minus 1 35. 4x is equal to minus 1 transpose to RHS plus 1 35 plus 1. 35 plus 1 is equal to 36. 4x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 by 4. X is equal to 9. Now some conditions. Transposes plus quantity becomes minus quantity becomes plus. Particularly in this linear equations we have some transposes. 4 binary operations we know that, plus, minus, division and multiplication. These 4 binary equations, binaries will be changed to transpose LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. How it is? This plus quantity, maybe it is plus quantity, becomes in RHS side minus. this plus quantity in RHS side, it becomes to LHS side change to minus. Minus will be plus will be minus. This is the transposes. Be carefully. Transpose plus quantity becomes to minus quantity becomes to plus, into quantity becomes to divided by. It means into. Suppose 4x means 4 into x. Into quantity becomes to divided by. This 4 into 4 into x. Change to 4. It will be changed to denominator. That's why like that. Into quantity becomes to divided by quantity becomes to into multiplication. So these four binary operations very important in linear equations. Plus quantity becomes to minus quantity becomes to plus, into quantity becomes to minus, divided by quantity becomes into. Example, suppose 3x plus 8 is equal to 43. Therefore 3x is equal to this plus RHS side it is plus. First plus minus after multiplication and division. First plus 8 will be changed to RHS 43, plus 8 will be plus quantity becomes to minus. So plus 8 minus 8, that is equal to 43 minus 8, 43 minus 5, 35. Okay, that is equal to 3x is equal to 35. Now it is 3x, 3 into x. Into quantity becomes to divided by. Therefore 3 into x. Therefore x is equal to, we need x, that x is equal to 35 by 3. 35 by 3. This is 3 table. 3 11s 33. 3 12s 36. So this is the answer. X is equal to 35 by 3. Okay, there is no cancellation, there is no 35 in 3 table, so we can leave it like that. 35 by 3. Okay, this is the two examples. We will try at your home. Some example I want to do 4x plus x is equal to 8. Second one is 6m is equal to 12. 6m is equal to 12. Third one is minus 2x is equal to minus 12. Fourth one is 3x plus 1 is equal to 16. Fifth one is 3p minus 7 is equal to 0. And sixth one is 13 minus 6n is equal to 7. This is the page number. Exercise 2.1, page 37. Exercise 2.1, page 37. Okay, do it yourself. Thank you students.